About a year or so ago, I ran across this article, which was why do screensavers don't work on Mac, and why people aren't developing them. And so I had the new Mac beta, and I decided, let's see if they actually fixed any of this stuff. So I found Metal Shader on GitHub that makes a little sparkle effect, and tried to slam stuff through, and it works probably about 50% of the time. So I can pretty definitively say, as of beta 1, they did not fix screensavers in macOS 27. So live and learn.
But it's working.
It renders about half the time.
It works half the time.
Yeah. I get really interesting crashes out of the menu when it fails to initialize. So,
Are you going to keep working with it?
Probably. I was hoping that the dream is to have Extreme Saver actually running on my Mac, but we'll get there.